Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering, minimalism, and simple living. So if you're new here, welcome, and I hope that you get a lot out of this. So whether you've just moved into a new home or an apartment, or if you're ready for a fresh start, summer is the perfect time for a reset. So today I'm going to give you 5 quick wins you can tackle before the season kicks off in full swing. They're simple, they're satisfying projects that will make your home feel lighter, brighter, and also prepare you for whatever the summer might bring. So my first tip today is clear the entryway or the foyer or the mudroom, wherever it is that door is that you enter all the time. You know, the shoes, the jackets, the balls, the gym bags. They all seem to pile up right at that doorway, especially during, these rainy days. So if you try this, do a quick sweep of the entryway, the foyer, or your mudroom area, and store anything that you won't be using for this summer. This will make you feel more relaxed every single time you walk in that door. My second tip is to let go of the lingering boxes. So do you still have boxes from your recent move or maybe even from a previous move that are unopened? So try this. Just open one. Go through it and ask, do I really need this, or can I get rid of it? And if you don't need it, then donate it or discard it. And emptying just one box is kind of surprising how it motivates you to maybe open the next one and even the next one after that. So you'll be amazed at how liberating it is and just how much better you feel just to open that one and empty that one box. My third tip is to pack up winter. So the challenge is, do you still have heavy coats and winter blankets and holiday decor still hanging around? And if you do, just use maybe this weekend or just part of the weekend anyway to officially transition your home to the summertime. So box up the cold weather gear and store it with the label on it so that you'll be able to find it next year. Not only will you reclaim your space, but you're also going to signal the new season has begun, both physically and also mentally. My fourth tip is edit your surfaces. So we all have these. It's the coffee table, the nightstand, the countertops. They often become the clutter zones for those random items that tend to build up. So it's the old magazines, the old mail, various electronic stuff. So to get a fresh start, try this. Pick just one of those areas, clear it off completely, and I mean everything, and then put it back. Only the things that you want back that will make you truly happy and that you actually need. This one clean sweep can make your space feel more intentional, more functional, and also much more peaceful. And my last tip today is to refresh the refrigerator and the pantry. So the challenge oftentimes is that expired and partially used items in your refrigerator and pantry take up space and they make it more difficult to find things when you actually need them. So if you try this, just set a timer for 15 minutes, toss out the expired foods, wipe down your shelves, and make room for the fresh summer produce. So it's an easy and important win that makes looking into that refrigerator and eating much more healthy and enjoyable. So there you have it. Those are my 5 decluttering wins to help you feel lighter and more energized for the summer. If this video has inspired you and motivated you, please like, subscribe, and also share it with a friend who might need some help. And if you're ready to simplify your life even more, check out my downloadable Essential Minimalist Checklist. It's only $2.99. It's in the link below, or it's on my website. So I hope that this has helped you, that you can now reset for your summer, just one small tip at a time. So I'll see you next week. In the meanwhile, just keep it simple and enjoy the sunshine.